So I read one of your comments on my voice mod video that someone wanted to know how to use to change the voice with the phone with the Xbox. Now I have finally come up with the best way to actually do that. This method does cost a little bit of money, but it generally is the best method. So there's a couple of things you need first. It's obviously your phone or tablet. This could be an iPhone or an iTab or even an iTab, an iTablet, an iPad even. Yeah, an iTab. Appleman, what are you doing? An iPad or an Android phone or an Android tablet, doesn't really matter which brand. Now the other thing you do need to download on your phone is the Amazon shop, the App Store. So now you need to download the Amazon shop through the website link, which I will leave down below in the description. Now the main reason why you need the Amazon App Store is because of the fact that this app isn't on Google Play Store anymore. So unless you want to download through a dodgy link, which is completely down with you, but for me I wanted to go for the safe bet and pay the £99 and download the app that way. So right now I'm going to go to the Amazon App Store, which is on the phone but here on the left. I'm going to download the app, just show you how to download it. The name of the app is this here right there, as I clearly have bought it and it's cost 99p. I mean, it is a normal app, so it might see a pop-up message in this app's outdated, so you know, you just got to be careful with that. Purposely for making this video and just a bit laugh at the Xbox, it's not going to hurt anybody. So yeah, so you need to pay for that app, which will cost 99p, and then once you get the app downloaded, then that's just it from there. You just need to open the app and just leave it from there. So now I'm going to open the app, and now I'm going to just leave it on that page and show the rest of it from you. So the next bit we're going to talk about is the actual setting up bit. Now obviously you've got to show you how to download the app now on your phone. The next part from there is to actually show you how to connect your phone up to now see the Xbox controller. And obviously you want to hear your voice change through the Xbox, or you know, you want to hear it yourself, so that's completely fine. So a couple of things we need. If you're doing this on the PlayStation side of things, this first adapter you can skip, which you need for the Xbox side of things. You need the Xbox adapter. You either need the Xbox adapter or the Xbox keyboard. Now it doesn't really matter which Xbox controller you do this to. Obviously for the example I'm using a Halo 5 Xbox One controller, but you can use a Series XS controller. You can use any controller for any Xbox. Like for example, this is a Series X, but I am using an Xbox One controller because it is compatible. Now you do need an official Xbox controller. It doesn't matter which one. You need an official one. You can't be using something like the Reduke one which they made, or the 360 one, just because the headphone piece for some reason on all Xbox controllers block out the next adapter. I don't know what it is, but they just kind of always done it. It's the best thing to do. I kind of always recommend using a keyboard or the Xbox adapter, which everything is linked down below. So for this example I'm going to be using the Xbox adapter just because I know it works and I use it more regularly than I do with the keyboard. So right now I'm going to plug that into our controller. Nice and ready. So now my controller should look like this at the moment. Now the other thing which we need, like I said, for the Xbox is now from the PlayStation side of things, this is where you get started with us Xbox. So the next adapter is a headphone jack to a mic piece and a headphone piece, which is the both inlets to a outlet, or not outlet to an inlet. So now you plug this one into your adapter, now into the Xbox controller, or if you're doing it on PlayStation side of things, you plug it straight into the controller. The other thing that I am going to use, and it makes things just a little bit easier, as well as we don't need that much adapters, is a Gactyl Elgato capture cable, which then actually allows you to record the Xbox party. But for us, it would be the fact that this will be connected to the controller, so this will be taking our audio from our phone, and we also listen to the audio that way through our phone as well. So right now I'm going to do it is plug in the one inlet side. Shit. So on the cable it should look something like this. So you got a headset in, and obviously where you plug in your controller, or that's where you went to, and then obviously you got your outlet or your inlet there, which then it records just your voice friend, you know, your Xbox friends or friends. But for us, so today what I'm going to do is plug our headset inlet to our phone, and our recording inlet, that's what I'm going to just call it, we're going to plug into the mic piece to our controller, which obviously got the one end, which is just the one piece into the mic put, and then you got the other piece then, which then it goes down to the headset side of things, plugged into our phone. The other one that which we need is a two split away. Doesn't matter which one you use a black one or you know, could be used any. Well, the next thing I do is to plug that into the headphone piece on the adapter connected to the Xbox controller. Now the other cable and final cable is our two-way headphone piece. Now for this, what I do is connect it to the two-way outlets and then we connect the one end to the bottom of the headset adapter for the Elgato cable. And then finally, you want to connect your headset end to the other two-way headset. Get that all plugged in, and now that you're ready to go. So if you can't hear your voice, sometimes it might be worth to make sure your volume's all the way up on your phone, or even just unplug and replug. Sometimes it might be it is a little bit quieter through your headset, but you definitely can hear it just enough so you could just have a bit of laugh and giggle, and also then you can join through the Xbox party and maybe have a bit of laugh, you know, that way. So have fun. But yeah, this is the only way, and probably one of the easiest ways, to actually use your phone on your Xbox to change your voice, or your PlayStation obviously. If you do want to check out an even easier way to change the voice on Xbox or PlayStation for free, you should definitely go and check out this video. But yeah, other than that guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye for now.